Oh, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jay on the Segway. Today's video, I want to show you guys how I've modified magnets and stuff like that to put on the back of the Ulanzi UW MIC 20. All right, so I was trying to find a way to mount it to my helmet, motorcycle helmet, and that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. If you guys haven't seen the video where I actually took the microphone and put it in my helmet, did a road test with it so you guys can hear the audio quality with this Ulanzi microphone in different settings, different speeds, visor being open, windscreen down, so I'm getting full effect of the wind hitting the mic, hitting the helmet. Check that video out. I'll put that in the description below. That is a kind of a video where you guys have to just watch it. Okay, it's one of those you're watching and you're just listening. You want to know how this microphone sounds as a vlog microphone or a motovlog microphone, so you're just listening. You're listening to the quality. Is it the quality that you're looking for? Okay, that's what you want to know, and that's what you need to look at that video for, if you see if it sounds up to your speed. I will be doing a video with the Rode Wireless Go 2. I've kind of did a little magnetic setup for that as well, so I'll be going on and trying that video out when the time comes, but I will be using it with my GoPro, so you'll actually get to see the quality difference between the Action 3 and the GoPro. I'll be recording both in 2K 24 frames a second with 32 ND filters on the lenses, so just to kind of, you know, make the quality look a little bit better. So anyways, if you do find value in this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you like this type of content or any kind of content on random things, if you guys want to have that access to me, you know, you guys have any questions on this whole setup, you can always ask me. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and here on YouTube, you guys can hit me up. It's Jay on the Segway on everything. So like I said, if you have any questions, just hit me up. If I have any of this stuff with me, I can give you a video short even. Okay, so enjoy the video. Okay, so here's my setup. We got the helmet, we got the action camera mounted to the helmet with the Ulanzi UW 20 receiver plugged into it with the adapter. We got the microphone, we got something to clip the actual magnetic tape with adhesive, and then we got this right here. We're gonna go on and put this, we're gonna set this up so that this microphone can be mounted inside the helmet. So here we go. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to look where inside your helmet you can actually mount this. So I'm going to remove my chin bar. Okay, so you want to stick it in here somewhere. So what you want to do is you want to put the helmet on your head, close your helmet. All right. You want to look down in the helmet, right, and see how much clearance you have between your face and the microphone. So you could take the microphone, do some test fits, right? Put it right in here. You could put it to the side. You have to figure out where you want this microphone by putting the microphone inside. You always want to have the dead cat on the microphone because the dead cat's going to keep all the extra noise, help keep all the extra noise out of your footage. So for me, I'm just going to test fit, figure out where I want to put it. You guys can see it. It's right here. Okay. It's a comfortable position, you know. When you do stuff like this, guys, you always want to go on and push the helmet around. You want to maybe hit it. Don't hit it too hard because you might compromise your helmet's integrity, but you want to hit your helmet around to make sure that that microphone, no matter where it's placed, it's not going to hit you in the face. Where I have it right now, you guys see it? That's a good placement. It's not touching my face. I know it's there, but it's not intruding, and I can still use the microphone from my actual center microphone bowl. You guys can see this guy right here. So I can still use this, and the microphone is in here and it's not protruding, and that's pretty much how I had it mounted anyway when I was doing the video. So however the audio sounded then is how it's going to sound now. Okay, so we're going to go on ahead and do it with the chin mount on. That way we get actual fitment. So I'm going to close my helmet. If you have a comms microphone, make sure that microphone is mounted the way you want it to normally mount. That way when you test fit this Ulanzi microphone, it sits exactly where it would sit if you had everything else going on. Your center microphone boom, your chin mount, everything. So I'm going to close it. I got the chin mount there. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to find a place to put it. You want to hit the helmet around. That way, if you do have an accident of some sort, the microphone doesn't knock you in the mouth or anything like that. So I found me a really good spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, that's where my microphone's gonna be. When a microphone is that close to your mouth, guys, you do not want to be yelling while doing your video. You can talk a little loud. It's always good to do tests, audio tests. So you want to get out on your motorcycle and actually test it to see if it's loud or not, or if it's too loud, or if it's not loud enough. You always want to make sure you do an audio test so that your microphone levels are always the same, and of course try to remember them so that when you go and do your motovlogs, you got your microphone all set up. You don't have to worry about, damn, is it going to be too loud or too low, not loud enough. So I'm going to try to save it by taking my helmet off and holding the microphone in its place to get a good idea on where I need to mount my magnets. And being that I did this with my chin mount on, it's easier to put this thing on, and my helmet opens and closes without any fuss. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to allow you guys to see it. That's where it seems to be the sweet spot. So I'm gonna take my magnet and I'm gonna stick it right there, and then we're gonna do the magnetic tape and see how it works. I'm gonna do the magnetic tape on the actual microphone itself because I don't want the microphone to have a bulky setup on it. I'd rather the bulk be on the helmet. So here we go. Okay, so we got the rear of the helmet, right? I'm gonna slide it inside here, and that's where my magnet is. You see it right there? So now we're gonna go on ahead once I've established where I want my magnet to be placed. So what I ended up having to do is take my draggy. This is my little GPS performance unit. I had to take this plate. It comes with 2 of these plates. I am going to find you guys, and it will be in the description below, on what I think they used, but they have these little double-sided tape, metal sticky thingies. So here's one of the plates from the 3M, from the draggy unit. I'm gonna get it close, and it sticks so much better. You guys can't see it. It sucks because the space you're working with here. Okay, so I'm going to take this guy right here. In fact, there you go. You guys can see it right there. Okay, this thing sticks to that a lot better than that tape that I just used. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this bad boy and I'm going to cut a nice little piece that I can stick right here instead of using that little weak piece of tape that I spent some money on. Can't believe I did it. And we'll go from there. Okay, so here we have it all cut out nice and good. Gonna peel this adhesive off. Okay, and then I'm gonna line it up with the microphone. Should put it this way. Okay, looks a little primitive, but it'll work. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a test fit. See if it actually fits in here. Yeah, that's good. That's so much gooder. You want to make sure you get this thing stuck on there really good, okay? Because apparently it'll just undo itself. Now, if you need for this to stick even better, guys, I always recommend maybe getting some heat and applying some heat to this thing. You know, while you wait for it to cure. You know, a blow dryer, if you have a blow dryer in your home, if you don't have a heat gun, a blow dryer may or may not be cheaper to buy if you need to buy one. But yeah. So I'm gonna test fit it. You guys won't be able to see it really. I'm gonna do a test fit and see how I like it, and then I'll go from there. But Ulanzi, definitely a good idea. Maybe start magnetizing the back of these clips in case people want to use them in situations where, you know, I could even have a magnet. For example, we're gonna take the magnet, I'm gonna put it inside my shirt and line the microphone up, and then I could do something like this. You get what I'm saying? Wireless. Okay. Kind of follows the magnet. Eventually the magnet will fall. It's not gonna just stay up there. Super, super good, but you guys get the point. If you're just kind of doing like a walking vlog, you can just have it, you know, inside your shirt, or you can just simply clip it into your shirt. Anyways, you guys get the gist of the video, okay? You guys heard the audio from the microphone being inside the helmet. Like I told you guys, this is my settings right here. So if you guys actually have a motorcycle and you do own this microphone kit, and if you don't own this microphone kit and you're using an Action 3, for example, this is probably going to be a really good solution for audio. If you guys are wondering, how do I get good audio out of my motorcycle? This is a really good way, and let me show you.
Hate to see it.
Already bent the damn lens. Let's see. It's already bent, guys. Right there on that corner here. That's what happens with these things, right? So, if you guys are wondering, this audio settings, let me show you real quick, okay? So you guys can see firsthand. Okay. Audio, the little microphone there, okay? That's dB. So it's -4. It's not at 0, it was at -4 on the camera. The receiver, like I said, the receiver is set to maximum noise canceling, and the volume's at the lowest level as far as the receiver settings, which is what it's telling the microphone to do. All right. If this video brought you any value, even if it's the littlest value, give me a like. All right. That motivates me to make these videos. I like to tinker around with things, okay? And it's no fun tinkering with things, making videos for them, and no one really cares for them, okay? So if you like this video, hit the like button, please. If you want to subscribe, that's up to you. I do videos on random things. I am very accessible in general, so if you guys have any questions, I try to keep most things around me, near me, close to me, so I can answer any questions you guys may have. All right, so thanks for watching once again, guys. All right, see you later. Happy vlogging. Hopefully your audio turns out just as good as mine. It should. Okay, and see you later. Peace.